Hey guys, welcome to Miss Nixon's Corner. Go ahead and open your math journals to page 11. We're going to talk about estimation. Estimation is something we've already talked about. We've talked about the many rules of estimation. It's just rounding, and I know you're familiar with 5 or more, let it soar, or add one more. 4 or less, let it rest. So that's what we're going to be practicing. We're going to do 385 times 15. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is step 1. We're going to decide how you're going to round. Okay, are you gonna round to the nearest hundreds, to the nearest tens? It's easy because you get to pick. The important thing is that you want to make the problem as easy as possible. So today we're going to round 385 to the nearest hundreds, and we're going to round 15 to the nearest tens. Okay, step 2. We're going to round. So 385 rounded to the nearest hundreds. I underline my 3. My 8 is going to tell my 3 what to do. And my 8 is in that 5 or more category, so I'm going to add one more. So my 3 becomes a 4, and everything after my 3 becomes a 0. Now I'm going to round my 15 to the nearest tens place. My 5 is going to tell my 1 what to do. 5 is in that category, or 5 or more, add one more. So we're going to add one more to my 1. My 1's going to turn into a 2. And everything after that will become a 0. So my new numbers are 420. Step 3. You're going to solve the problem. So now our new problem is 400 times 20. And remember our trick that we talked about. We're going to ignore those zeros. We're going to do 4 times 2 is 8. And then add our 3 zeros back. 1, 2, 3. So our answer to 385 times 15, but we estimated it's going to be about 8,000. So don't forget, our rule is 4 or less, let it rest. And 5 or more, add one more. Now I want you to take a couple of minutes to practice a few problems. It is very important that you follow these steps. Notice how we round first and then solve the problem. You never, never, never solve the problem and then round. You always round and then solve the problem. Okay, so you're going to turn to page 12 of your journal. And you're going to practice a few problems. I want you to estimate the value of 589 times 12, 413 times 16, 219 times 14. And I want you to try one division problem. Same steps, remember, round first and then solve. So I want you to do 144 divided by 12. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this lesson and come back to class ready to show me what you learned. Bye, have a good day.